Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. Take your aerial adventures to new heights with the DJI Flip, the perfect drone for beginners, hobbyists, and photography enthusiasts alike. Weighing just 249 g, this compact drone doesn't require FAA registration, making it easy to get started with minimal setup. Built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors ensure safer flights, giving you confidence whether you're cruising your backyard or exploring open skies. Equipped with an advanced camera, the DJI Flip delivers stunning 4K 60 video and high-resolution stills in 12MP or 48MP, capture raw images with DNG support for flexible post-processing, or shoot in JPG for quick sharing. Video creators will appreciate the flat D-Log-M profile, offering maximum control over color and exposure in editing. Control the Flip using the included dedicated remote with LCD, your smartphone, or onboard controls, providing versatile options to suit your flying style. Its lightweight design and intuitive controls make it ideal for recreational flying, while the powerful camera capabilities appeal to aspiring aerial photographers and video editors. Whether you're taking your first flight or creating cinematic footage, the DJI Flip combines ease of use, advanced imaging, and reliable safety features in one compact package. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, it's a drone designed to unlock your creativity while keeping every flight safe and enjoyable. Key specs: for rotors, 4K 60 video, 12MP/48MP photos, integrated gimbal, forward obstacle sensors, internal/micro SDXC storage, live 1080p video feed, and multiple remote control options. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a versatile, entry-level drone that delivers impressive performance in a lightweight, portable package. Weighing just 249 g, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it perfect for recreational pilots eager to take to the skies. Despite its small size, the Mini 3 is packed with features that appeal to beginners, hobbyists, and content creators alike. Its advanced camera supports 4K 30 video with an HDR look in both landscape and vertical orientations, as well as a 60-degree upward tilt for capturing unique angles. Photo quality is equally impressive, with 12MP JPG or RAW DNG formats and f1.7 optics that perform well during dawn and dusk. A 38-minute flight time ensures you can explore and capture more footage per flight. Safety features include GPS stabilization, Find My Drone, and Return to Home, giving pilots peace of mind while flying. Licensed pilots can take advantage of remote ID compliance, making the Mini 3 suitable for monetized work such as YouTube content, real estate photography, or event videography. Control options include a dedicated remote with LCD or smartphone app, providing flexibility and ease of use. While the Mini 3 doesn't include obstacle avoidance, its lightweight design, long flight times, and advanced imaging capabilities make it an excellent choice for beginners and creators looking to elevate their aerial photography. Key specs: for rotors, 4K video, 12MP photos, integrated gimbal, GPS and return to home, micro SDXC storage, live 1080p video feed, 38-minute flight time, vertical and landscape video modes. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that high-quality drones aren't exclusive to top-tier brands. Weighing just 249 g, this compact quadcopter avoids FAA registration requirements, making it an accessible choice for hobbyists, beginners, and professionals alike. Despite its small size, the Atom 2 is packed with features designed to deliver reliable and creative aerial photography. Equipped with a 4K 30 camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, the Atom 2 captures smooth, stabilized video while snapping crisp stills in 12MP or 48MP resolution. Photography enthusiasts can also shoot in RAW DNG format for maximum editing flexibility. Its 32-minute flight time allows for extended exploration, and the included dedicated remote ensures precise and intuitive control. Beginners will appreciate the Atom 2's ease of use, impressive camera performance, and affordable price point, though careful flying is advised due to the lack of obstacle avoidance. Recreational flyers benefit from its lightweight design, which exempts it from FAA registration. Licensed pilots will find the built-in remote ID module particularly valuable, allowing the Atom 2 to be used professionally for real estate photography, monetized video content, and other FAA-compliant commercial applications. Compact, reliable, and versatile, the Potensic Atom 2 balances professional-grade features with beginner-friendly accessibility. Whether you're exploring aerial photography for the first time or capturing footage for paid projects, this drone offers smooth video, sharp imagery, and long flight times in a portable, lightweight package. Key specs: for rotors, 4K video, 12MP/48MP photos, integrated gimbal, microSD storage, 1080p live video feed, remote ID built-in, 32-minute flight time. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is the ultimate lightweight drone for quick selfies, social media content, and casual aerial videography. Weighing just 4.8 ounces, this compact quadcopter easily fits in your bag and doesn't require FAA registration, making it perfect for beginners and recreational flyers alike. Built-in propeller guards ensure safer flights, while the small size allows for easy palm takeoffs and landings. Capture smooth 4K video and 12MP photos with the integrated gimbal camera, perfect for sharing high-quality content online. While its video profile isn't as advanced as higher-end DJI models, it delivers impressive results for its $199 starting price. The Neo offers multiple flight modes and automated paths, so even first-time pilots can confidently explore the skies. Control options include your smartphone or tablet, providing manual flight for fun and flexibility. For those seeking a more tactile experience, a dedicated remote, sold separately, can extend your range and offer precise handling. The Neo is especially ideal for selfie enthusiasts. Its on-drone controls allow you to capture aerial selfies without opening an app or connecting a remote. With an 18-minute flight time, the DJI Neo gives you enough airtime to grab selfies, scenic clips, or just enjoy flying for fun. Compact, portable, and beginner-friendly, it's an affordable way to experience drone photography without the hassle of complex setup or registration requirements. Key specs: for rotors, 4K video, 12MP photos, integrated gimbal, internal storage, 1080p live feed, smartphone/tablet app control, 18-minute flight time, lightweight 4.8-ounce design. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. Experience the thrill of flight like never before with the DJI Avata 2, an FPV, first-person view, drone that puts you in the cockpit of a small, agile aircraft. Perfect for adrenaline seekers and drone enthusiasts, the Avata 2 can squeeze through tight gaps, perform flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical plunges, delivering an immersive, heart-pounding experience. Unlike traditional camera drones, FPV flight challenges your skills while providing a completely new perspective on aerial exploration. Designed to make FPV flying more accessible, the Avata 2 features a motion-sensitive controller that allows beginners to quickly brake, hover, and stabilize midair. Capture stunning footage at 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second, making your thrilling adventures look as cinematic as they feel. While it doesn't include automatic obstacle avoidance, the forgiving controls make it easier to master than most manual twin-stick FPV drones. The included Avata 2 goggles deliver a crystal-clear live feed through micro-OLED screens and are adjustable for interpupillary distance and diopter correction, making them comfortable even for users with vision challenges. For advanced stunts, the optional DJI Remote Controller 3 allows for full manual control, unlocking the drone's full potential. Lightweight, responsive, and exhilarating, the DJI Avata 2 is ideal for both beginners seeking an entry point into FPV flying and seasoned pilots who want immersive, high-speed aerial adventures. Key specs: FPV drone, for rotors, 4K/60 or 2.7K/120 video, motion-sensitive controller, micro-OLED goggles, optional manual controller, immersive first-person flight experience.